I got this. Come on. Oh my god. Well, I think I'm gonna cut around
Shopping just makes
them
me
load
feel better about
times,
myself.
meaning I might use them. Ooh! Fuck it, I'm gonna shop first, so.
I wonder what they have.
New costume? Let me look at these. I forgot how much these cost. Japanese made.
Quick, check this out.
Got you.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Time for chainsaw dash.
Maybe I'll use that for the next
Drive
one.
carefully, okay?
Gotta get them. Gotta get them all. Yeah, fuck you. You zombie asshole. Got it. Ding ding. Oh,
Juliet, you have to be careful.
and I'm out. And don't touch me. Oh, I got it. I got it.
Another trick Sensei taught me, Nick. It's called the big jump.
Super
Hold on.
jump.
Hold on with what?
I hate this shit.
Zombie basketball.
2 minutes. I got
Time you're
this.
killing of zombies. How many points can you rack up?
Let's go. It's a little different. Get your head out of here.
It
Ow.
seems like a
Ow.
one-sided game.
Fucking hitting hard.
Oh, I'm great
Oh,
at
that.
basketball.
What the?
Let's put the round thing in
Fuck
the
you, dude.
goalpost, Nick.
Stop blocking.
3 points.
Stop blocking you. Prick. Oh my god. What?
Where do rainbow thingies when you cut a zombie in half come from?
Awesome.
That's stop. You. You're too tough.
3 points.
But you do block it, you asshole. Fuck, I hate you. Big ass. Oh my gosh, you got a minute. You do. Fuck! Hate you, black guy. Oh my god, I'm getting tormented by this guy. You
3 points.
please. Stop it. Oh my god.
3 points.
Just got squeeze enough. Come on, come on.
Fantastic.
Come on, faster. Get out of here.
3
Oh.
points.
I'm just gonna make it, maybe.
3 points.
I swear to Christ. No, don't give me up. Don't give me up. Oh, you son of a bitch. I'm gonna get up.
3 points.
I'm going to take it up. Don't you dare block it. No, no, I can't. Oh, you fucking asshole. Stop blocking it. Oh my god, I'm so mad at myself that I tied the game, I still lost it. You.
Yet I'll love you, baby, always.
Gotta get up, you guys. What am I gonna say? It happens in this game. On hard. I'm not gonna lie, I get up a few times. I die at least once. This stupid moment. No, not this time, buddy.
Zombie basketball. Time you're killing of zombies.
Alright,
How many
fuck
points
it.
can you rack
Just
up?
go for the heads. Go for the head! Just
It seems like a
don't
one-sided
you hit
game.
me. Love it.
Great at basketball. Let's put the round thing in the goalpost, Nick.
That's a basket.
Ow!
Fantastic.
Fuck you, man. What?
3 points.
Alright, buddy. You know what? I'm just gonna try to get softball as quick as I can
Where do all
and
those
beat you
rainbow
up.
thingies when you cut a zombie in half come from?
From awesome.
3 points.
What? Zombie. Stop jumping like a little asshole and start from me.
3 points.
Can't block it forever, right? Ow! That's so much damage. Gotta time it. Ah, there we go.
Nice shot. 1 minute left.
Is one going? Wait. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see it. Yo, boys. Fuck you, man. I don't even deal with you. Oh, power! Okay, fuck you. Alright. Got this. Oh. No. Oh! Stop jumping, you little asshole. Got this. I got this time. Oh, 104, you
Turnaround. The zombies are getting
stupid
slaughtered.
game.
Incredible game, Juliet.
Here
Can't
we
wait to
go.
see you in action again.
I can't go there. Yeah. They'll give me to do it.
Chainsaw Stage.
So there's an achievement for this. You might notice me trying to do it. Is to get all the coins. As you can tell, I almost missed it. And stop. Reverse myself. The thing is, you don't want to overheat it. The thing, your chainsaw. You just need to be going at the right speed. Oh! I think I missed it. Fuck. But you have to get all the coins from each part of the stage. Fuck you, man. Well, I'm not gonna turn back now because, you know, I'm way past.
Sorry.
20 minutes, you guys. Well, 20, you know, 20 now. Fuck, these loads. You guys, whoever invented load times, go fuck himself a little bit. Cause they're annoying. I love you, load. Really? Really? Love you. What the fuck is happening here? What the fuck is happening?
Zombies.
Jeez. Alright, okay. I'll beat you. I'm gonna beat you up. Man. Where's your companion there? Basketball. Wow, I like how the basketball people. Oh, fuck you! Don't pitch at my ass. Up your ass. Ooh, nicked it. Yeah. Ooh, oh fucking old man! Ah! Oh, don't you dare game me up. Oh, these couples. They're only on hard mode, and they're like one of the last two, I think. The last two zombies you can get. In it. Besides. No. The Imperial one of the stages has actual names. But right now they're not named. But I think in one of the stages they'll be named. What the fuck were their names? Shit. I don't remember. They were named for something. Can you please just take it? Get up the ass. Oh, grandma. Holy shit, grandma. Going crazy. Ow. Take it. Grandma. Please. Yep. Number 12. I was about to say 22 just now, I think. Alright, make sure I got everything. Use a lollipop because there's one right there.
What the dick is going on with all this crap?
I think that's actually a hidden one. No, it's not really
It's a new
hidden,
phrase
but
I invented. Do you like it?
I mean, it's one of the golden ones. If you didn't collect it. If you didn't collect it. Alright. Fucking star power and just kill these people. You don't want to deal with them. There's another name right there. Fuck you. Right? And stop hitting on that guy. Bam!
Holy, we better get out of here.
Okay,
Oh,
That
not
was
yet, not
sad
yet,
though,
not yet. I
my
need to
friend,
collect
but
the
also so
points, man.
fun.
Hey, show me a code. Give me that. Hey, give me all that cum. Coming on me. Oh my god. Shower me with that goodness. You shower me too.
Tampon.
I do both ways. I don't mind. Oh. My reaction time on those are terrible or something. I can't, like, I have to see it and I have to process like maybe 2 seconds later.
Juliet, it's Cordelia. Just a tip,
What the-
sis,
oh.
but you're moving around too much as you hunt zombies. From a distance,
Look,
use your whole
my movement is
attack.
awesome.
When they get
Do you not
close,
notice my
rush in for the kill.
handsome
It's
boyfriend
kinda
on my
common
ass,
knowledge,
really?
But, you know.
Chillax in there. Chillax, baby. I got this shit. Oh yeah. Alright. Eat the football people.
It would be really
Oh, yeah,
cool if I
please.
could implant an MP3 player in your forehead. A
Oh, yeah.
boyfriend and an iPod all in one.
Oh, you
All
still
room in my purse.
still
You
hitting
realize
it.
that's completely degrading, right?
Take out the legs. Alright, now they're not gonna do anything stupid. Ow. Ow. What? Why you getting me up? There we go. I'll get you up. Don't you get me up. You go? Yeah, I did. Where's that neck? Ah, there you are, neck. Body.
Oh well.
Nick. Must move fast.
Feels great to have legs
Swift as
again, even
nails.
if they are really slow.
Swift as nails, Nick. Come on. Waiting here. There we go, baby. I love you.
God,
Now
Nick,
get out of my way.
that was so hot.
Thank you.
Big jump.
Whoa!
I hate this!
Oh. So this next part, there's also another achievement. Well, you have to dodge lightning, if I remember correctly. And I forgot what was called the achievement. Or trophy. Trophy if you're playing on the PS3. I got this. Come on. Oh my god. Well, I think I'm gonna cut around.
Shopping just makes.
Yeah.
Let's go. Time for chainsaw dash.
Maybe I'll use that for the next
Drive
one.
carefully, okay?
Gotta get them. Gotta get them all. Yeah, fuck you. You zombie asshole. Got it. Load
better about
times,
myself.
meaning I might use them. Ooh! Fuck it, I'm gonna go to shop first, so.
I wonder what they have.
New costume? Let me look at these. I forgot how much these cost. Japanese made.
Quick, check this out.
Got you.
Let's go.
Ding ding. Oh,
Juliet, you have to be careful!
and I'm out. And don't touch me. Oh, I got it. I got it.
Another trick Sensei taught me, Nick. It's called the big jump.
Super
Hold on.
jump.
Hold on with what?
I hate this shit.
Zombie basketball.
2 minutes. I got
Time you're
this.
killing of zombies. How many points can you rack up?
Let's go. It's a little different. Get your head out of here.
It
Ow.
seems like a
Ow.